Alright, well, it's 3 o'clock. Callie just got here. And when she pulled up, it was like the Spider-Man meme, like I just said, because we're getting food and then going to Don's. This place is fucking tight. Ugh.
Look at all that body work.
The body work?
This is all body work.
Yeah.
Just look at the color of the truck. Look at this green. This green was dope.
What the hell, dude?
That was a dope ass green. And then the bumper is silver. Okay.
Looks like it's working good. Good thing we have 2 gallons of it in the car.
Yeah, no, we're almost out.
You're almost out already?
Yeah.
Of what, the 2 bottles you bought? This is actual primer. Yeah. This is what I thought the whole car was.
Me too.
But they have a primer that's like etching primer in a can and it's green. So Don already bought 2 of these. This is all you have left, right? You bought two of these bottles. So
shout out to Steve from DIPYOURCAR.com.
it's Fonzie.
What?
His name's Fonzie.
Oh, shout out to. Is it really Fonzie or are you fucking with me?
Dude, I know a dog named Fonzie who sucks. No, you can't put this in.
Alright, well Fonzie, you don't suck. And you're not a dog, but thank you for sending us out. I don't know if these are gallons, but 2 gallons of this because I'm already almost running out. And I've only done like the quarter panel, the trunk, and the rear bumper. We still have like a whole nother like 8 or whatever, 3/8, 3
They're both
something.
half gallons, so there's a gallon.
Well, you did a quarter panel, right? This is a quarter of your car.
Yeah.
The trunk I'll count as like an 1/8. We have more. We have like almost 3/4 of the car to do.
We got like maybe a quarter of the hood done, but
Yeah. And to clarify for the people in the last video that were bugging out, those were plastic razors. All right, guys. There we go. See, at least some of it's going to use now when it falls. All right, I call this fender and door.
Well, there's 3 bottles. So.
You could do the hood.
Oh, bet.
So when you spray this stuff on, it immediately starts acting like freaking
like aircraft stripper.
like aircraft stripper, but it doesn't hurt the paint. So we know for a fact this car is dipped. I just sprayed this door and you can see this zoomed all the way out. Yeah, you can't see my screen, but yeah, you can see all the textures and whatnot. It's weird. It's weird seeing something bubble off like this. And it literally just does nothing at all to the paint.
A few more minutes and then we'll do another hard coat that we just did. And
yeah, so you just you spray the absolute shite out of it, sugar out of it. Thanks, Callie. You should be the spokesperson, not me. The roof already looks like it. Like the roof was one solid color like 2 minutes ago. I'm gonna guess there's 5 different colors underneath this. How about you? You don't know how many? Take a guess. How many colors?
I mean, you can kind of already tell.
We only see this side of the car.
There's silver, black, green, red, Bondo.
That's a good color. That's the best one. So you're supposed to spray it on, you know, with like 5-minute interval wait times until you can just do this, and then you can spray it with the hose or a pressure washer.
I can't do it, I'm scared.
It's just sexy. Even when it drops pressure, it's still, like, you could do this with a garden hose.
on jet or flat?
Yeah, definitely. So the whole car is pretty much done besides the hood, a little bit of the bumper, and a little bit of the roof. And I'm assuming because this carbon is old and cracked from sun damage. What kind of hood is this?
A Sibin hood?
Oh.
Yeah.
Sibin?
Yeah.
Sibin?
I thought it was Sebin.
But yeah.
Sounds like Seaman.
But yeah. But yeah, so they did body work here to this hood used to have hood pins because 90s was dope. And that's probably when this hood was made because the shit's cracked as hell. And that's probably what's holding on all this freaking stuff, so really gotta lather on that. Let's do 4 layers this time.
Should we paint the car and keep the hood carbon?
I think carbon fiber hoods are ugly.
I think we should sand it down because
Especially on white cars. If it was black, it'd be different. Yeah.
plus we have to sand it anyway to get all the cracks out.
If you have to keep it on there for each duo, like whatever, but eventually I would replace it.
I'm definitely gonna replace it.
Well, the thing is, like,
What about this gold
you couldn't even keep it carbon unless you sanded all that off
And then re-cleared it.
and then put hood pins in it because you'd have 2 holes in it.
Why is there such
You're
a
right.
huge gap?
Yeah, you're so right.
Unless you want to get like those plugs.
Huh? I think it's the bumper, right?
It's like all sagging. Let's ignore that.
Unless you want to get like some plugs like for the windshield wiper deletes in the windows. You know what I'm talking about? The little plugs.
Yeah.
You can just put those in your hood. Dookie chunks.
Ew.
Should have just got like a putty knife, like a little plastic.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you know what would work really good? A Bondo spreader. The hood you can definitely get more of, but you know, it's getting late in the day. I'm sure you want to spend.
To be
time.
honest, you could probably just sand the rest of this off, or rub it off like that.
Yeah, whatever. It's not like the hood's all cracked and old, so it's not like it even matters.
Yeah.
You're just gonna end up freaking painting over it anyway. I think we should just make the hood nice and paint because I like this design personally. Don's like about it,
Yeah,
but I like this better than like the multiple slit D-Max look.
Or we could fiberglass slits, and it'll be like a long ass D-Max all the way.
Nah, I think cutting out or just painting the mesh black and sanding this down because you have to put sealer on this because it's all cracked and the clear coat's all fucked up. So.
Where you literally like hit Don.
What? Oh, when I ran into him on the video.
And I have captions on, and it says, "I effing hit your birthday."
Your birthday. But yeah, so he's just gonna end up, you know, painting over this hood. So it is a carbon fiber hood, all right.
So how much time do we have left until this car is running good and painted?
I mean, it's probably running good now. We just gotta time and light the
ignition
thing.
timing.
Ignition timing, and you fixed the overheating, right?
Mhm.
You bled the coolant. You kept the thermostat in.
I'm thinking about taking it out, but I don't.
If it doesn't overheat, leave it in.
It'll
be better for you. You get better gas mileage. But that stuff did take off like everything, dude. You guys saw it. I took as much video of it.
I just got stock. Yo, I bought a stock clutch fan from Roger, and then you remember how you said you threw the freaking O2 sensor in the back seat?
Yeah.
I moved the seat. The guy threw a stock clutch fan behind the seat.
Oh Christ.
This guy, dude.
Hey, boy! He just rolled up on us dumb hard.
This is dumb slippery, be careful.
He tries to press the brakes, he just fucking maxed the front end. What up, SA? This dude pulls up like as I'm filming a clip.
What's up, bro? What's good, boys?
What's up, man?
Hey, Callie.
Hi.
Hello, Amber.
Amber, this is Nick. Nick
Nick.
is Amber.
Oh, shit.
We just
I think I knew
blasted
we
all
met.
the Plasti dip off of this dude.
That's lit. I'm on slinging pies right now.
Slinging pies, delivering the fucking the pizzas. But yeah, worked out pretty freaking nice. It was a lot easier. I've tried. Remember, yo, you were there when we were doing Pedro's truck, right?
Yeah.
How long did it take to get like a little thing like this off?
The Rabbit, dude.
No, the truck, the
Oh,
S10.
the S10? Yeah,
Yeah.
that was rough, dude. That was worse.
Dude, how many
Rabbit
cans of
was,
WD-40? Like
The Rabbit was
rubber wrap. Yeah.
okay. So it was like easy. It was coming off in huge pieces.
Yeah. But the whole tailgate said Volkswagen and everything on the friggin'. No, that was the cabbie, dude.
Yeah.
It was a truck. But yeah, this stuff definitely works a lot better. So massive
When you
shout
guys
out.
finish her up?
Massive shout out to
We
Fonzie.
like just finished her.
Here, just like shout out the homie one more time.
Thank you to Fonzie for sending us out this dip dissolver. It worked amazing. Yeah, saved me a lot of headache.
Yeah,
Now
'cause we were literally gonna douse it in WD-40. Would have taken years.
Damien keeps thinking that's on top of the silver.
Because if I come this way, it feels like my finger goes
No,
down.
that's below.
It's below the silver.
Yeah. Far below,
it
Damien.
feels like it's above it. I don't know. We'll get some paint thinner.
no.
We'll try it with some paint thinner. Because if that's maybe it's just
No, this is literally not.
I don't know.
This isn't plastic, dude.
It looks like plastic.
It's not. I bet you could scrape silver off from the edge. It's not plastic.
I don't know, Callie. All right. Well, I guess that's that. I filmed a shit ton of this, so hopefully it's good. I actually forgot my phone time lapsing for 12 minutes, or my camera time lapsing for 12 minutes, so that should look kind of cool. What are you? I'll catch you later.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Callie, I'll see you probably.
Bye, Amber.
And I'll see you guys tomorrow as well. Goodbye.